Hi friends, today I'd like to show you how to make an accordion book. An accordion book will show you how, as the story, the plot of Eugenia Lincoln and the Unexpected Package unfolded, how her character changed, and what we can learn from stories, what we can take away from them that we might want to make part of our life story. So to begin making your accordion book, you're going to need just a regular size piece of paper, and you're going to put it horizontally, hamburger style, across in front of you, and you're going to fold it in half, corner to corner. And once you get the corners to meet up evenly, then you press down and make your fold, your crease line along the fold. Okay. Now, once you make that fold, you're going to fold again and put these corners from the crease line to the other corners. After you get them lined up, push down your crease line to make your fold. Now, when you unfold your paper, it will look like that, an accordion, right? So there's 4 sections to your accordion book. Once you get your 4 sections laid out, you're going to begin making your book. You will turn it the opposite way, the vertical, place it vertically up and down, and then you're going to have 4 sections, and in each section you're going to put a different part of the story and about what happened in those different parts of the story. So you're not necessarily going to write these words, but you're going to depict what happened in the beginning of the story. What was Eugenia like? Maybe you want to draw some pictures. This is basically the unfolding of the plot, okay, and about how Eugenia's character is changing. So in the first box of the accordion book, you're going to write about at the beginning of the story. What was Eugenia like? Maybe you can use some of those adjectives, those describing words that talk about Eugenia's character. In the next box, you're going to write about what happens after the accordion arrives. What are some words you might use to describe Eugenia? Maybe there's a picture from the story, or a picture that you were imagining in your mind as it was describing Eugenia after the accordion arrives. In the third box, you're going to write about when she plays the instrument for the first time. What were her feelings then? What were some describing words you might use? And in the last box, you're going to write about at the end of the story. What kinds of feelings was she having at the end of the story? How did that affect what she did and the way she did things? So after you make your accordion book and think about some of those feeling words, those describing words that describe her character and how she was at the beginning and the things that happened that changed, and the way she was at the end of the story, how she changed. After you think about those things, maybe you can think about what lesson is this telling me about? What did Eugenia learn about life? How did her reaction to life and the way she did things the same or differently, how did that change how she felt at the end of the story, the person that she was? There's lots of clues along the way in our story to help you. Once you decide what lesson or lessons the story is telling you, you can turn the book over and you can write. You can make the outside of the accordion book say, Life Lessons Learned from Eugenia Lincoln. And maybe there's more than one thing that you want to come away with from the story. You can put them on the back side of the accordion. And there you have your accordion book with life lessons from Eugenia Lincoln to take away with you as you continue to grow and change and determine the kind of person that you will be in life. We'll talk more about this during our Zoom meeting today. Hope to see you there.